A vehicle's exhaust system does far more than simply direct gases away from the engine. It plays a critical role in overall vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, engine sound, and emissions management. Whether you're looking to improve airflow, enhance throttle response, reduce back pressure, or achieve a more refined exhaust note, choosing the right exhaust components can make a noticeable difference in your driving experience. Modern exhaust systems are designed with advanced materials and engineering techniques to improve durability and performance while withstanding extreme temperatures and harsh road conditions. Exhaust elbows and connecting components are especially important because they help direct exhaust flow efficiently through the system. A properly designed exhaust pathway can contribute to smoother gas movement, reduced restrictions, and improved long-term reliability. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best car exhaust systems for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of durability, fitment, performance, and value. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Toplamper Exhaust Elbow. The Toplamper Exhaust Elbow is designed for drivers looking for a practical and durable exhaust system component that supports efficient exhaust routing. While often overlooked, exhaust elbows play an important role in helping gases travel smoothly through the exhaust system while minimizing restrictions. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its durable construction. Exhaust components are constantly exposed to high temperatures, moisture, vibration, and road debris. The Toplamper Exhaust Elbow is designed to withstand these demanding conditions while maintaining structural integrity over time. Another benefit is its straightforward design, which helps simplify installation in compatible applications. Proper fitment is critical for exhaust components because leaks or alignment issues can negatively affect performance and efficiency. Coming in at number 4 is the A-KARCK Elbow Exhaust. The A-KARCK Elbow Exhaust offers a balanced combination of durability, functionality, and value. Designed to support efficient exhaust routing, this component is suitable for drivers who want reliable performance and long-lasting construction. One of the standout features of the A-KARCK model is its robust material quality. Exhaust systems must handle constant exposure to extreme heat cycles, making material strength an important consideration. This elbow is engineered to withstand these conditions while maintaining dependable performance. Another advantage is its attention to airflow management. Properly designed exhaust pathways help direct gases smoothly through the system, minimizing turbulence and supporting efficient engine operation. The component is also designed with installation convenience in mind. Good fitment helps reduce the risk of leaks while ensuring proper alignment with surrounding exhaust components. At number 3 is the Sigeon YGenG Exhaust Elbow. The Sigeon YGenG Exhaust Elbow stands out for its focus on efficient exhaust flow and durable construction. As part of an exhaust system, elbows and connectors play a key role in maintaining smooth gas movement while helping support engine efficiency. One of the biggest strengths of this model is its precision manufacturing. Accurate construction helps ensure proper fitment and alignment, both of which are important for preventing leaks and maintaining optimal exhaust performance. The durable materials used in the Sigeon YGenG component are designed to resist corrosion and were caused by exposure to heat, moisture, and road conditions. Long-term reliability is especially important for exhaust parts because replacement can require significant time and effort. Taking the number 2 spot is the A-KARCK Exhaust Elbow. The A-KARCK Exhaust Elbow delivers an impressive combination of durability, performance, and overall value. Designed for drivers who want dependable exhaust system operation, this component offers several features that help it stand out from competing options. One of the biggest advantages of the A-KARCK model is its strong build quality. Exhaust systems operate in challenging environments where components must tolerate heat, vibration, and weather exposure on a daily basis. The A-KARCK elbow is engineered to handle these conditions while maintaining reliable performance. Another important feature is its efficient flow design. Proper exhaust routing helps minimize restrictions and encourages smoother gas movement through the system. This can contribute to improved engine breathing and more consistent performance. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Jexhong Exhaust Elbow. The Jexhong Exhaust Elbow earns the top position thanks to its exceptional combination of durability, precision manufacturing, and reliable exhaust flow performance. Designed to meet the needs of drivers seeking long-term reliability, This component stands out as the strongest overall option on our list. One of the biggest reasons this model takes the top spot is its premium construction quality. High-quality materials help resist corrosion, thermal stress, and long-term wear, contributing to a longer service life even under demanding operating conditions. The precision-engineered design promotes efficient exhaust gas movement throughout the system. Proper flow management is important for maintaining performance, reducing restrictions, and supporting overall engine efficiency. Another major advantage is dependable fitment. Accurate manufacturing helps ensure smooth installation and proper alignment with surrounding exhaust components, reducing the likelihood of leaks and performance issues. Choosing the right exhaust component depends on several important factors. Material quality, durability, fitment accuracy, airflow efficiency, and long-term reliability all play significant roles in overall performance. Investing in quality exhaust parts can help support smoother operation, improve system longevity, and reduce maintenance concerns. While exhaust elbows may not be the most visible parts of a vehicle, they contribute significantly to proper exhaust routing and system efficiency. Selecting a reliable component can help ensure dependable performance for years to come. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best car exhaust systems for 2026. From the practical top-lamper exhaust elbow, the durable A-KARCK elbow exhaust, the dependable Sigeon YGenG exhaust elbow, the high-quality Fortis-ARC exhaust elbow, to the top-rated Jexhong Liang exhaust elbow, there's a great option here for every vehicle and budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest automotive reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.